Hello everyone. Today we are starting our class 11th first topic. What is our physics? We will explain about what is our physics. Physics, nothing we are physics. Physics is the study of nature. What study of nature? Anything happening in our nature, that is your physics. Okay. For example, anything keeping on the table, that also physics. We are running, moving anywhere, that is physics only. And any object that is flying, birds are flying, your kite flying, aeroplane are flying, there is a physics is acting there. So in way we can say physics are the natural phenomena which are happening in our nature. Our physics, that word come out from the Greek word, that is come from the physis word. What is the meaning of the physis? That is come out from our Greek language, and this one meaning your nature. That is nature. Anything is happening in our nature, that is our physics only. That is, you can say physics is not your cramming language, that is our understanding language which are happening with us from the daily life. So in our daily life, we are waking up, we are moving, we are eating, we are breathing, then everywhere physics is acting in our life. Okay. Then in complete day, you can say physics is why and how in our life. In complete daily life, we are taking the why and how question. We are doing anything, then we are in our mind, we are taking our question, why this happening there, then also their answer will be a physics only. Then in our life, then how this one happening, there also will be physics. So your physics here can be say present, past and future. Your present, physics your present, past and our future is your physics only. Yeah. Then if we are throwing ball, we are playing any game, that we are playing the cricket, then during this cricket, then we are throwing the ball, then ball is going in angular motion. Okay, angular projectile motion. Then after some time, how much time taken by this ball to reaching this one, how much distance traveled by this ball, then before one day this one, how much time taken by this ball, after some day, 2 days we are explaining. That means you can say physics are present, past and future. Okay, so then nature, basic law of the nature, we are doing the different law. Force law we are using, that is a motion law we are using there in our life. Different type of law we are using, that all are related with our nature, and nature in that you can say your physics only. Study of all those phenomena happening around us in our universe. Those phenomena, for example, Earth is revolving around the sun, that also our physics. Why it is revolving around the sun? Why it is revolving around the sun? How it is revolving around the sun? Then there answer will be our physics only. So any technology is coming out in our life. Technology means here we are taking your live classes, we are taking that is live any classes we are taking, time we are giving, then computer we are using, that phone we are using, everywhere our technology, different technology we are using. These technology is coming out from our physics only. How we are coming out this one? In your physics we are reading about this silicon that is silicon plates, that these are come out from the physics only. Then in physics we are explaining about this one, then so technology also come out from the physics only. So here beta given different pictures, one picture about this one table, then here table also we are keeping anything on the table, you are sitting here bench, then here on the bench you are sitting, there is that is your physics only. All are responsible about this one falling down up, will call it gravitational force. Now here we will read about what are the scope of the physics. Here we are telling about two scope of our physics, that we are dividing microscopic physics and your microscopic physics. Macroscopic physics, that means here we are reading your big size objects, and here microscopic, that is physics which in which we are reading a small type object. Okay, this one microscope of this one type of the physics come out before 90s. Okay, then before this one 90, then this one will be this type of the physics before 1900, this macroscopic physics will come out. Okay, so read here, macroscopic domains include phenomena at the laboratory. Those phenomena acting in this type of the phenomena, then terrestrial and the astronomical scale. These phenomena are studied in the classical physics. Main thing here, classical. Why we are calling it classical? Classic means our old. In this one, we are reading about this one old physics. Which one is surrounding in our happening now, that any vehicle is moving here, then we can see easily. Okay, we are moving, someone moving here and there, someone is jumping here and there. That means those objects which are happening surrounding us, and we can easily see those objects, that are coming in category of the classical physics. So your meaning of this macro physics, from this one we can conclude that macro means large object, big one object. Okay, so in this one those object study will be there, in which we can study the large object. Okay, so initially we are not having so much technology that we can define their size, time and your mass of very small object that we can't see with our naked eyes. So initially, given that is a study of those objects we can easily see. For example, any vehicle we are keeping here, that vehicle is moving here and there, then easily we can see that is moving in this direction, this one moving in this direction, how much distance traveled by this vehicle and how much time taken by this vehicle. Then these terms easily we can explain about this one, because we can see this type of the object. So they are coming in category of the classical physics. Now here, which include in classical physics different type of the subject included, which include your mechanics. Mechanics means your related with your motion. Okay, any object is moving here and there, that all are coming in the category of the motion. Okay, next here, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics also coming in the category of the classical physics. Thermodynamics, thermo means your heat, dynamics means related with your motion. So here heat, thermodynamics means will be your heat moving in our nature, that is your pressure, temperature and volume. Here we will read about your pressure, temperature and volume, PVT. Okay, so thermodynamics here study of the heat. Next here, optics. Here this optics also coming in the category of the classical physics beta, because here classical, here we are doing the study of the light. Here study of the light. Okay, for example, sun, you can see any object here and there. Why? Because of the light, and light is form of your rays. What? Rays. Short form of the light is your rays. Next your electrodynamic. Electrodynamic will be related with your beta, that is your flow motion, study of charge particle. When charge is moving or at rest, there is a two state is possible of the charge. Charge can be at rest, charge can be in motion. So when charge will be at rest, then it will become in category of the electric field. When charge will be in motion, then electric field as well as the magnetic field will be there. So this one study of the charge particle, that will become in the category of the electrodynamics. So these are the complete detail in our macroscopic objects. Okay, thank you. सही रहा है, जल्दी जल्दी बोल रही थी.